In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split terminal to PowerShell, command prompt, and JavaScript terminals in VS Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you open your terminal by default, if I go to terminal and click on new terminal, it will be in PowerShell as you can see here. However, if you wish to split this terminal to command prompt and even JavaScript, then click on this drop down and then you have an option to split terminal with profile. Choose your option. So I'll go ahead and click on command prompt, and now we have command prompt terminal here. I'll further go and add the JavaScript by clicking on the drop down and then go to split terminal with profile and choose JavaScript debug terminal, and we have now our JavaScript terminal here. So that's how you can split your terminal into PowerShell, command prompt, and JavaScript. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.